Pixie. She's a crazy, ferocious, wild kitty. Right now, I just gave her food, and we're gonna see if we can get her to come close. Come on, Pix. Come on. Just gave her some, whatever this is, we gave her some Wellness Complete Health Adult. What are you doing, Pix? Wanna come get your food? You wanna come get your food, Pixie? Come on. Come on. What? What? Come on, come get your food. Come get your food, it's right there. Good girl, good girl. Good job, Pixie. You're so smart. You're so smart. Ooh. That is a red-bellied woodpecker. Yes, I know my birds too. That was unexpected. Right on the peanuts. And Pixie's still eating. She now has trusted me. I'm this far away. I think I gotta stay on my sock. I was working outside today. I'm sorry for everyone that's offended by my sock. I'm very sorry. Uh-oh, Pixie just dropped a pebble. Pixie, you got a pebble right there. You gotta get it. Jeez, what is, she's like famished. Yo, another tip for anybody who has a cat. I see so many people, their cats get really fat. They get like super fat, and a lot of the time they're indoor cats. This is an outdoor cat / indoor cat. So don't let your cat get super fat, because then it's going to be super out of shape and it's never going to want to do anything. So that's shame on the owner if you let your cat get super fat. I know so many people with fat cats. Y'all gotta make sure you only give them one thing of food a day, and that's it. And then water, and that's it. Like sometimes we let Pixie eat table food, but you know, that's gonna get them fat too. So don't do that either. Alright, I have no idea why I just made this video, but I just made a video on my cat, and I hope you guys like it. Have a good rest of your day or night, whatever it may be, wherever you may be. So keep it real, my G's. Keep it real.